Hey, how's it going? And happy Thursday, October 21st. This is just a thing we're doing. I don't know, we're calling it Tips or and Tricks Thursday, Thursday Tips or Tricks. And it's getting close to Halloween, so I figured I was trying to do something kind of Halloweenish. What I got here is the moon behind the clouds. I'll probably do a tutorial on this. It's pretty interesting. It actually looks pretty photorealistic, I think. I'm going to, add some stars in here. That's the only other thing I might do. Okay, so anyway, what is the tip or trick for today? Well, it's a tricky one actually. If you come into backdrop and you come here, there's some places in LightWave, usually around the color picker, where you might see a color and you want to copy it. Like let's say I want to copy this color. Well, I think I gotta turn this on. It's gonna mess everything up anyway. But let's say I wanted to copy this color swatch to here. So the trick is you come here and you right click, hit Control, then you go to where you want to copy it and you hit Alt and you right click. And I'll do that again. Okay, so let's say I wanted to copy this color to here, or let's say this color to here. All I have to do is hit right click, Control, then go to where I want, hit Alt and right click. And that's it. But it is kind of tricky because it's right click, Control, Alt, right click. It's just one of those little tricks. Okay, take care, have a great day, and congratulations to Tony Hall for for making 1,000 subscribers on LightWave Salvation. Bye.